Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charlene, and in today's video we're going to do a maceration, a maturing update, whatever you want to call it, on some of my Middle Eastern fragrances. So if you want to see my thoughts on those, just stay tuned. So you guys, I have 7 fragrances that I want to give you some updates on. Some of these you might have seen me haul through my short videos. Typically when I first get the fragrances, I put them through there, but some of these I picked up before I even started my channel. So I may not have those videos up for these, but I will give you the notes of these fragrances and give you my thoughts on them after they have macerated for a few months. So the first one that I want to get started with is Rare Tiffany. And let's see here. Rare Tiffany comes in this beautiful packaging like this. It is a 100 ml bottle, which is 3.4 ounces. It comes like in this display, just like this. And then it has, so it's beautiful packaging, how it comes. This is from Afnan. And I believe this is one of their originals. I don't think this is duping anything. If anyone knows if it is, just let me know in the comments below. But it is a beautiful fragrance. I'm going to spray it for you guys. I sprayed them earlier to let them release again, because like I said, when I normally get these perfumes, what I do is I spray them like 10, 12 times in the box and sit them back in the box, and I leave them alone. So this one I've had since the fall. So this one has been sitting for quite some time. I picked it up in the fall. To me, this is more of a spring, summertime fragrance. So I haven't pulled for it yet. And so now it's out. I switched my collection around to where I moved a lot of my spring and summertime fragrances out, put away fall and winter fragrances. So this is the one that I have out now. Let me tell you the notes of this. It's top notes of ylang ylang, jasmine, rose, middle notes of musk, sandalwood, and vanilla, and base of ginger, pink pepper, and caramel. And this is a beautiful scent to me. It has matured very well. It does have the opening of the floral base, like it mentioned, the ylang ylang, jasmine, and rose. And it's a balance of them all. It's one is not overpowering the other one, but then it's like I said, it draws down into that musk scent with some slight sweetness and creaminess. But this is a beautiful scent. It's a spring, like I say, spring summer scent. The bottle is absolutely gorgeous, and I'm glad I have this in my collection. So like I said, it has been moved out for me to try it more. So you guys just get to see that on some of my upcoming trays for the spring and summertime. So that is Rare Tiffany, Afnan's Rare Tiffany. Absolutely gorgeous. All right. The other one I have here is from Afnan as well. I'll try to keep these in my house as close as possible. But this one is Mystique Boutique by Afnan. This is also a very beautiful bottle. You see how it gradients from the green to the deep blue down here. This is the bottle, the box that it comes in. It's gorgeous box. That's how it comes. I'm smelling the box because, like I said, I sprayed it earlier in the box. I'm going to spray it again. But this one I feel like is an anytime scent. It is office appropriate. This is giving you put together, classy. But this one is supposed to be a clone or a dupe of Valaya by Perfumes de Marly. I do not have that scent. But doing research on it, a lot of people who does have it said this is that. It has top notes of white peach, mandarin orange, lychee, and bergamot. Middle notes of peony, orange blossom, mahonia, vetiver, and base note of musk and Bronson oak, moss, and vanilla. Like I said, this is a very beautiful scent. Very, very beautiful. It really does remind me of like I said, an office setting. When I wore this, when I first got it, it lasted all day. It will last all day, and I really did enjoy this. This is one of my favorites out of this grouping that I'm sharing with you. But that is Mystique Boutique by Afnan. And I'm hoping I'm saying that right. I know it's afnan. I don't know. Put that bottle back over there and that over there. The next one I have here is from Latafa, and this is Jara. Now, you guys, you know I have Kisa Pink that you guys saw me have on my tray a few months ago, and I actually love Kisa Pink, and this one reminds you of it. They just got a slight difference to it. But Yara was launched in 2020, and it is supposed to be a clone of Signature Mont Blanc. It is top notes of orchid, heliotrope, tangerine, middle notes of gourmand, accord, tropical fruits, and base notes of vanilla, musk, and sandalwood. And this is, like I said, it's a sweet scent. It's you smell the fruits, and when it says tropical fruits, you definitely smell the fruits in it, and you smell the vanilla and the musk. It's very, to me, it is more of a musky, sweet, fruity scent than it is fruity floral, but it does have the florals in there. You do smell the florals, but I really do enjoy this one. To me, you know, you can go one or one, you know, Jara or Kisa Pink, either one. You don't need both, I don't think, but I think they're both lovely. They're very girly scent. So that was Jara by Latafa. And the next one I'm going to talk about is also from Latafa. And this one, it comes in this box here, just like this. In the box, looks just like the packaging. It's Rave Now. It's kind of remind me of like a birdcage type packaging. But this is a very nice scent as well. Tell you about the scent here in a minute. It's supposed to be dupe and Burberry Elixir. It smells so good. Top notes of red fruits, orange. Middle notes of marshmallow, lily of the valley, and jasmine. And base of vanilla, musk, and moss. Now, it does definitely have that. It definitely has that marshmallow scent and the berries. So you smell the red, you smell the red fruit, and you smell the marshmallow with some slight floral. It is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely, I'm going to look forward to trying this more. And that is Latafa's Rave Now. All right. The next one that I wanted to go over is Sakina from Latafa. And all these ones that I'm showing you guys, these are all 100 ml bottles. It opens up like this. Beautiful presentation. It has this, the inside feels like velvet. And that's exactly what the packaging looks like. It has this, it's a plastic top here with this beautiful plastic gold detail on it, but this here is, the texture is velvet. Very nice. And this one is a Floral Fruity Gourmand. It is top notes of passion fruit, tangerine, mandarin orange, ozonic. Middle notes of orange blossom, raspberry, rose, and sea salt. And base of musk, praline, vanilla, and toffee. Spray this one on me. This has matured very well. Very nice. You're definitely picking up on all the fruits. And when it says ozonic, I can see what they mean by that. Yeah, it's very nice. They did a good job with this one. I don't know if this one is duping anything in particular, but it says Floral Fruity Gourmand, and that's exactly what it's giving. So if you like any, you like that fragrance profile, then you will enjoy this one. This is Latafa Sakina. Very nice. Fruity, musky. Yes, very nice. All right, this other one that I have here is, I don't know what category to put this this company in. It's Urban Collection, and this is Victorious Women. It came in this box like this, and this is what it looks like. This is a beautiful fruity scent, but it has top notes of tangerine, red berries, middle of jasmine and orchid, and base of sandalwood and vanilla. And that's exactly what it's giving. It's giving you a little bit of fruit with a little bit of floral. I'm smelling Sakina on it because they both are like floral fruities. You know, I'm picking up more. Do anyone else have the Victorious or whatever it is for women by the brand that this is duping? I do not know if it's the same or not, but this is very, the berries is very prominent in there, and I really like it. It's very nice. Let's spray this one on this side. Yeah, it's the berries. It says tangerine on it, but I'm picking up more of the berries than I am any of the citrus. Very nice. The orchid. Beautiful scent. A very beautiful scent. I'm glad I got this one. It was a little, this was very affordable. Very affordable. And the last but not least one that I'm going to share in this video, I have 8 other ones that I'll share in another maceration update. But this one is Swiss Arabian Women. This is just a regular shag-off. You know, we have the oud, the tonka, but this is the original, just shag-off for women. Now this one, when you look at this one, this is a Floral Fruity Gourmand. So another one of those. Top notes of lime and lemon. And that's what you definitely pick up on when you spray this. You immediately smell citrus. Then it has middle notes of praline, apple, and peony, which you definitely pick up on the peony in this. And base notes of musk and cedar. This is a beautiful, light, fresh, clean scent. It says Floral Fruity Gourmand on it. But to me, this is the out of a shower scent. Just a nice, fruity, clean scent. That's what this reminds me of. So it's not, it doesn't have the oud in it like the other one. So don't get it mixed up when you see the shag-off name. Those other ones are shag-off oud, shag-off tonka, oud tonka. This one does not have oud in it. This is their clean, fresh, fruity scent of those version of that brand. So this is the Swiss Arabian shag-off. If you want a cleaner scent version, not something, this is light and breezy. If you're looking for something like that, this is the alternative to those more of the heavy hitters for the fall and winter time, where you have the oud base in there. That's beautiful. But, you know, everybody don't want to wear that all the time, and that's what this one comes in. This is your freshy, fruity, freshy, floral version of the shag-off. So all in all, what's my overall thoughts of the items? I think they all developed very well. They all, what would I say would be your favorite? I know this one is an absolute favorite. I haven't worn a couple of these, but did my first impressions on them and then put them up. So I haven't worn those, but the ones that I have worn, I know I absolutely love. So these all matured very well. So that's my thoughts on those 7 items. And stay tuned for my upcoming video on the other 8 items that I need to do an update, the maceration update on it. Other than that, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.